Hello, welcome to a brief introduction on porosity measurements using helium gas porosimeter. The helium porosimeter is based on the principle of Boyle's and Charles' law of gas expansion. Helium gas is forced towards the void space of the rock to measure grain volume and pore volume of a rock sample at isothermal conditions. The porosimeter we use here is TPI 219 instructional gas porosimeter, as shown here. So I'll begin with a description of the equipment. As we see on the front panel of the porosimeter, there are valves. First step is to close all the valves on the front and the back panel of porosimeter. By closing it like that, the apparatus is connected to a helium gas supply and it is set at 100 psi. Now slowly adjust the gas regulator knob until it reads 92 or 95 psi on the back of the apparatus. Now adjust the P1 knob such that digital readout should be the same as target pressure. This is the P1 knob. Pressurize and depressurize the core holder by closing gas supply gas valve and then to supply gas valve to vent and to core. Now begin the experiment by closing the gas supply valve and open two vent and two core valves. Read and record the digital pressure value as 0 pressure. Now load all the billets into the core holder and close the cup by tightening the lever and connect it to porosimeter. Pressurize the core holder to target pressure and record it as full cup reference pressure. Now open the core valve to pressure to equilibrate. Record the digital pressure readout as the full cup pressure. Open the vent valve to depressurize and remove the cup from the frame. Using the provided stainless steel billets, create a stack next to the sample of equal height or taller. This is our core. Return the stainless steel billets used to build the stack back to the core holder. Determine their volume of billets by caliper. This is our caliper, and by measuring the dimensions we can get the volume. Remove the billet of 1 inch and insert the core sample into the core holder with a core sample at the top. So we're removing this billet and replacing it with a core sample. Repeat the above steps for the core sample and record the pressure as remove billet reference pressure and remove billet cup pressure. After that, following the formulas, use the Excel spreadsheet to calculate the porosity of a core sample.